Hey there, my name is Milan and I'm here to help you 24/7, 365. Regardless of whether you're a seasoned Shopify merchant or someone who is just starting out on Shopify, you will need Shopify support sometime in your business life. And that's where we come in. KKW Creative provides free and/or paid support at a moment's notice in either one-off projects or with a paid monthly subscription. We've been Shopify experts for over 12 years, so we kind of know what we're doing. Also, using us is cheaper than hiring a dedicated employee because we all know how much that endeavor costs. I encourage you to explore our website to see the services that we provide. And if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to use the chat down below on our homepage or call me directly at 604-655-5592. Thanks again for stopping by, and we hope we can help you out in your Shopify journey.